Alright guys, so I'm back here and day 2 of my little experiment. Alright guys, just wanted to show you this rather than risk losing him. Just flip this rock. And got this nice salamander. You little turd. Cool little guy there. Looks like he lost his tail. That's kind of tough. See if I can get a couple pictures of him. Good start, good start. Second one, second rock flip. Awesome, 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 awesome. Well, it looks like post-rain herping is very, very much more productive than pre, and I will show you why. Walk along here, saw this little guy cooped up here in this corner. Happy as could be, just chilling there. Just chilling. I don't think life gets much more better than that for this guy. That is awesome. That is awesome. Alright guys, what we have here is a southern two-line salamander. They're pretty common up in these rocky streamed areas where it's so cool right now. I mean, and damp where it just rained. Ideal for them to be out. So definitely a little cool guy right here. Let's see if we can just get him to, there we go. Cool little specimen, really nifty looking. Burrowing away. Have to dig him back up so I can get a picture of him. But yeah guys, southern two-lined, awesome.